Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this Magmajaw fish in the new Fish It Roblox update. So this is a pretty new fish in the Fish It update. This one is an epic tire fish. It can be caught in any time and any weather, but here I'm going to show you the locations to get the fish. So for the location, of course, you need to go to the Volcano in here, and then because this is an epic tire fish, you can just basically go to any fishing location inside the volcano and just use your bass rod and bait combo. And here I'm using the element rod and also singularity bait to get this big Magmajaw. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.